I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the trailer, park level, chalk wheels, and set the parking brake. Next, disconnect the wiring harness and safety chains so there's room to work without tension. Use the tongue jack to raise the coupler slightly. This relieves pressure from the ball lock mechanism and exposes the retaining pin or clip. Once you have slack, visually inspect the lock for rust or debris. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection before touching any fasteners or prying components. You'll continue by loosening seized parts. Spray penetrating oil on pins and joints and wait 10-15 minutes so it penetrates. This reduces force and risk of breakage. Then, using pliers, remove the retaining clip or cotter pin. If it's stubborn, use a punch and light hammer taps to free it. Once the clip is out, pull the ball lock pin straight out. If it's stuck, tap from the opposite side with a soft mallet while supporting the coupler. Make sure to keep removed parts organized. Finish by cleaning the mating surfaces and inspecting parts. Replace any bent or corroded pins and clips because worn hardware fails under load. Reinsert the cleaned or new ball lock pin, align holes precisely, and secure it with a fresh cotter clip or retaining device. Once secured, lower the tongue back onto the ball, reconnect wiring and safety chains, and test the hitch engagement by lifting slightly and checking for play. If the pin won't seat, stop, apply penetrating oil, try a new pin, or consult a pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.